This is going to be a fun-filled afternoon because my teenage daughter is celebrating her birthday today and we have called for a decor. They are decorating the house. I have done lots of food preparation. Her friends are going to come at around 11 o'clock, so it would be fun. Come, join me along. So for a birthday party, the color theme is purple, and so the decoration, you can see the balloons are purple, and she will be also wearing a purple outfit. So for today's celebration, for starters, we have three things. We have hummus, and then we have nachos, and also spring rolls. For main course is spaghetti, big spaghetti, and brick oven pizza. So the pizza is going to be a bit special because we have a special tool for it, and it's going to be a charcoal pizza. So I'll show you when the time comes, but now I'll do the preparation for the party. The decor guys did fabulous job, and I want to show you how it looks. So can you find a mistake here? And if you do, comment in the comment section down below. But later on, let me tell you that he fixed this mistake. I really like it. One by one, the friends began arriving, each bringing their own excitement to the celebration. It was a full-blown celebration of friendship, fun, and unforgettable memories. As the friends streamed in, the energy of the party was unstoppable. I had laid out a mouth-watering buffet of starters, crispy nachos with zesty dip, smooth hummus paired with fresh bread, and golden spring rolls that were just too good to resist. The spread was hit, and soon enough everyone was munching away, vibing with the music and getting into the party spirit. The laughter, the food, the fun, it was all coming together perfectly.
Just gonna move it. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, hi.
Sorry?
Yes. You got it. Over to the table. Yeah. Down. More. Go on your elbow. Yes. Like, there you go. Let's get super to the really low. Yeah. Go up. Maybe it's better straightforward. Yeah, you got that. Get the one down there. Yeah. Oh my god. No, we can't do that. Good job, Tia. You got it. You got it. Oh no, wait. It's okay, it's good. Yeah, you got this. No, you can do it. Woo! 3 more. I thought I was gonna break it again. Good job, Tia.
That was funny. So they just played game number 1 and now they're playing game number 2.
Just like all of them, or are we trying to make a pattern? All of them. As many as you can get in. Oh, no. This. Oh no. Oh, my things are... Yep. No. I lost my rhythm when you fell off the table. Okay. Sorry guys. Good job. Yep. What do you think I... Wait, I think this is sliding. Yeah, we gotta get as much as we can to stick it on. Mom, do the timer. Natalie, do you want to take your glasses off or keep them on? I don't know. Let's time. We're gonna like collide our heads. It's okay. Okay. That's what you're not Okay. Get there first. Can you like take it off with your hand, or do you have to like? No, you have to. Okay. Put your hand behind your back. Yeah. Okay. Go in each other's beds. Go. Go. Wait. Just go. Just now. Right against the edge. Good job, baby. Keep going. My hair is getting in the way. Get there first. Get out of the way. Natalie, you got this.
2,
5, 6, 7,
3,
8,
4,
9, 10,
5,
11.
6, 7, 8, 9.
11! Woo! That's right.
So friends, for my daughter's birthday, I have made a beautiful presentation and we would be showing it to her and her friends.
Okay, this is like a birthday video that my mom made that she showed me on my actual birthday.
It's just a baby Dia.
Diyu, my love, you are 16 years already and have something special for you. I hope you enjoy. Love you. Hi Diya, where are you going?
Begum Academic School.
Wow, is this your first year?
Yeah.
It's your new school?
Yeah.
And you're looking so pretty. Thank you. So thank you.
Thank you.
So, will you like your new school? You'll make new friends?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Have a nice time in school.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
અગર હું તને ટાકોસ ખવડાવું જ રાતના તો તું મને શું આપીશ?
તો જનાબ અમારી હું સમર બ્રેકમાં એટલીસ્ટ 1 book every day વાંચીશ.
પાક્કું?
પાક્કું.
તો ટાકોસ બનાવવા જ પડશે ને જરૂર.
I was such a liar.
So this was a little video, a compilation that I showed to Diya and her friends and they really like it and I'm happy. And so now it is going to be lunch time and before that we would be cutting the cake.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, ever, ever.
So now it's lunch time and this is the equipment that I was talking about. So basically you have got charcoal on top and at the bottom and sandwich in between is the pizza dough. This setup cooks the pizza to perfection. So this is how we do it, a fresh charcoal pizza. It is made at home, it tastes really nice. So after the lunch they are watching the movie called Sweet 16. So we had a nice cozy celebration for Diya for her 16th birthday. She had blast. There were few friends of her and it was a very cozy party. We had lunch together, we cut the cake, and now the friends have left. It's almost 5 o'clock and I'll take rest for some time and see you soon. So friends, the birthday celebration was really nice. I enjoyed, and after the friends left, I just went to sleep because I was really tired. And so next day today is Janmashtami, and we are going to a friend's place because we are celebrating Janmashtami here in Addis in Ethiopia. So let me show you how we do it. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a great celebration, 2 birthday celebrations, one for my daughter and one for Shri Krishna, and it was a wonderful day spent. I hope you have enjoyed my content. If you have, then don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever.